Hello everyone, welcome to AR Bling Live. So today's live is more about some of the collection which we are having in our pop-up show today, which is happening in My Home Puja. So before winding up, we would like to show what all we have. So this is one stunning moissanite necklace cum choker. It's a beautiful, as you could see the luster of the moissanites, they are the very precious one with a nice oversized studs with a back support. So it's a choker cum necklace, guys. This is available. If you want to buy, my WhatsApp number is pinned in the comment. You guys can just take a screenshot and ping me on the WhatsApp. And this is the look of this one. You guys can take a screenshot of this one. And moving on to another stunner, I have a precious rubies Lakshmi Devi gorgeous pendant in Victorian moissanite with a long nice Lakshmi Devi earrings, which are like 3-inch long earrings. As you could see the luster of this one, they are in moissanites, Victorian polish, precious moissanites with a nice rose rubies, with a nice side pendant motif used. Also the earrings, they are like super lightweight earrings. They are like 3-inch in size, gorgeous one with Lakshmi Devi at the center. If you like it, take a screenshot. I have a parrot design in again a real moissanites and also in the Keshi pearls, a precious one. Again, this is how it gonna look. Gorgeous piece again. Everything is real moissanites with a nice 2-inch earrings for this one. A beautiful earrings. The nice. Please take a screenshot. If you like something, please take a screenshot. I also have our evergreen seller, the best seller. This is the gorgeous piece in real emeralds and with a nice big moissanite polki hand cut carving emerald in the center with a beautiful hangings. Andi, there is a proper reel also. Andi, please watch Andi in original Keshi pearls, black creep. Again, it's 3-inch in size. This is the necklace and these are the nice long earrings. Beautiful one, the best seller so far. If you like it, please take a screenshot. Our best seller, the Sneha Reddy inspired Chandbalis, which is 3.2-inch in size. They are available right now. Beautiful Chandbalis. We also have a double layer moissanite necklace. I am styling this up something like this, which is something heavy. It also have its own beautiful studs, the same as is, something like this, which I showed it earlier. The gorgeous mango mala is restocked after so long time. I cannot really tell you how beautiful the piece is. Let me just showcase. This is how it gonna look, guys. The nice earrings. This is the beautiful earrings. Such a stunning showstopper. This is how the moissanite mangoes look. Also, it is a detachable pendant. The pendant is detachable. Beautiful mango mala, currently in stock. Precious moissanites are used again. Beautiful one. If you like it, take a screenshot. I have something bestseller restocked. Jalebi mala in Kundan. If you like it, please take a screenshot. I do have something else in this, a beautiful one again with a beautiful matching earrings. It's a nice proper necklace andi in moissanites and carving stones with the precious emeralds. If you like it, please take a screenshot. All the earrings has a back support, sits very well on the neck, very well on the ears. If you like it, please take a screenshot, Andi. Beautiful earrings. I also have something, the beautiful piece again. A beautiful coral necklace. Such a fine detailing with the Keishi pearls, rice corals. The beauty is so good, Andy. Please take a screenshot if you like it. This is how it is. Again, the best seller, the best choker is also restocked. This is such a game changer. It's a precious piece. As you could see, very fine detailing, Andy. Proper choker actually. It's a nice proper choker. It's a beautiful earrings, Andy. Again, a proper choker. If you like it, please take a screenshot. And these are the earrings. Again, this is restocked in 4 layer with the precious rubies. Again, precious rubies. If you like it, take a screenshot. They're very shiny. 4 lines. The alignment is properly like this, but somehow it is a little disturbed, but it's a good one. In 4 rows. Neeta, if you like something, please reach us on WhatsApp. We are available on the WhatsApp for the price details and all. Yes. And what else? I have a bestseller. The stunner is again restocked. A beautiful piece, Andy. As you could see, let me just show you. So beautiful. Lighting is bad. Bear me for the lighting. This is how it's gonna look. It's a proper choker, Andy. It's proper choker, proper reel is available. With the beautiful earrings. Beautiful earrings again. Like it? Please take a screenshot. What else I have? I have this one which is restocked again. A beautiful one again. The best seller. It is restocked. If you like it, please take a screenshot. I have this one 2-in-1, a choker cum necklace. This is also restocked. A beautiful piece again in Keishi pearls. Restocked. I have a stunning choker today, the Jaipuri Meena choker, my favorite piece, and it's a today's showstopper. These are the beautiful earrings for this one. Let me just help you. The choker. Excuse me. Yeah. The beautiful earrings, Andy. It's a total game changer. It's a Meena, handwork Meena. The nice mosaics. The beautiful mosaite earrings. Very light in weight. You will not feel the weight at all. And also, I think I have covered most of the necklaces what we have in stock. And this is one, the diamond one. The choker, it's a proper choker, Andy, with Swarovski pearls. Beautiful piece. Yeah. Also, I do have this, the best seller. Our best seller is restocked. The coral choker. Restocked. And in hanging collection I do have some more. These are the few bangle collection we do have in stock for today. This is in carving coral, Andy. Again in kundans. Everything has the back support. Long kundans again. This is something in dangling style. Mosaics again. This is in diamond. The changeable stones. This is something which is very super light, just like a gold piece. Beautiful one. If you like it, please take a screenshot of this tray. Please take a screenshot, Andy. Yeah, Rajni Garu, I can help you with the coral choke. It's a silver jewelry. I mean live.
ఓకే వద్దా ఇది ఎలా ఉంది
Something else.
సిల్వర్ ప్లేట్
I also have something in studs collection too. If you like something, please take a screenshot.
ఇదిగో ఉందిగా అక్కడ రెడ్ కూడా పెట్టుకుంది ఉన్నాయి దగ్గర చాలు తీసుకోవాలి
I have a stunning piece with me, the new collection. This one in rice pearls, jalebi necklace with a beautiful studs. If you like it, take a screenshot. In black beads, right? Most of you are requesting black beads. These are the few items in black beads.
What's the price of this piece?
I'm done in just a minute. So this is currently restocked. Beautiful one, the best seller of ours. And please apologize for the disturbance because I'm currently in a show. So we are wrapping up. So there is a little disturbance. Please bear with me. Thank you for understanding. Hand cut diamonds again on the both sides. A cute Ganesha beads also. And also I have some studs collection. These are the studs collection in mozzarines what we have for everything are 1 inch in size and take a screenshot. That is all I have for today, Andy. Thank you so much for visiting our stall, and also now currently this is available. If you want to purchase, this is available right now. It's ready to ship again. Thank you. Good night.